opens its first premium flagship store in Bengaluru, bringing world-class travel gear retail to India *. Redefining the way India experiences premium travel gear, timeless design, intelligent functionality, and global sensibility come together in a first-of-its-kind phygital space. Bengaluru, 27 July 2025 *. India's most innovative and design-led travel gear brand has launched its flagship retail experience at Phoenix Mall of Asia, Bengaluru. The opening marks a defining chapter in the brand's journey from digital-first pioneer to immersive, omni-channel lifestyle brand. More than a store, this new space introduces India to what has long been missing in the travel gear category, a world-class, customer-first retail experience that reflects global aesthetics, enduring quality, and design sophistication. Here, every element, from the architecture to the product curation, has been envisioned to offer customers the sense of timelessness, refinement, and emotional connection typically associated with the world's most respected international brands. We built this store to give our community a space where they could feel the Yume philosophy come alive, said Nana Parekh, co-founder, Yume. It's a tactile celebration of premium, classic design and purpose-driven innovation, something we believe Indian consumers have been ready for and truly deserve. A city on the move, a brand that moves with it *. Bengaluru, long celebrated for its forward-thinking culture, was a natural choice for Yume's first physical launch. The city continues to be one of the brand's top-performing markets, and its audiences resonate deeply with Yume's modern design language and thoughtful utility. To bring the store launch to life, Yume introduced a moving teaser in the form of a transparent truck showroom that traveled through key city hotspots: Bellandur, Manyata Tech Park, C.V. Raman Nagar, EGL Corporate Park, and more. Elevated interiors. Immersive storytelling *. Created in collaboration with Studio Astula, the store's interiors express Yume's minimally maximal philosophy, where clean lines, a predominantly white palette, stainless steel curves, and subtle textures create.
We heard that this is the maiden experience center that you opened today, and welcome to Bangalore.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So my name.
Please tell about your future plans and the success journey till now.
Sure. So my name is Pranay Parekh and I'm the co-founder of Yume. This is our first store here. We've opened in Phoenix Mall of Asia in Bengaluru. And so we are planning to open 3 stores in just this month alone in the next 15 days in Hyderabad and Mumbai. And we have a plan of opening about 12 stores over the next 12 months across the cities. Bangalore will be one of the cities where we plan to open multiple stores. And coming to our journey so far, we are about 5.5, 6 years old as a brand. And we were primarily online only. As I mentioned, this is our first retail store. And now we plan to have an omni-channel experience because as you can see our products also, they're very premium, high quality. And we want our customers to touch and feel our product so that they can really come and see the value in the product, the pricing, the quality, and appreciate what we have done and really help us take this brand to the next level and make moves together.
To improve your marketing channel, are you going to invite any like-minded investors as a franchisee?
So we are not yet. We have not yet sort of thought too much into the franchisee model. However, we are open to it. We already have few investors on board from that standpoint, and we are looking forward to scaling aggressively. Whether it is through company-owned channels or franchisees, that is a decision we are open to take. Of course, we will go step by step.
Yes. What type of marketing strategies that you are going to accept?
So obviously
on social media.
Yeah, so currently we are an online-only brand, so we were using social media, YouTube, etc. Now with offline coming in, we have a massive fashion show also planned here in Phoenix Mall of Asia. And more than that, we will be doing a lot of offline activations in tech parks across the country. We're opening in airports as well. And we plan to now have an offline and online source of overall marketing strategy.
Seems you are very much dedicated to promote this brand.
Definitely.
And I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
product seems to be really good,
Yes.
high class,
Thank you so much.
truly global. I can understand.
Thank you.
So you have any idea to go beyond India?
That is the goal. We want to put India on the map, and we believe that we want to first make a product based out of India that will actually be worth of going global. And now that we believe we have sort of cracked that, we definitely want to open. We are in talks with a few countries, and let's see where it goes. And we are also proud to mention that 80% plus of our products are made in India. So we want to further take that journey up.
So can you take this unit as a startup?
Yeah, see, I mean, you can consider it a startup surely because we have sort of started from scratch with no real, base as such. But definitely now it's been 5+ years. We have scaled well, and now we want to really take it to the next level.
All the best.
Thank you so much.